Hey guys, it's Colorado Trailers. If you're looking for a multi-use unit, you're ready to ditch the big RV and make life simpler, we've got an awesome unit here. This is a brand new 7x16 off-road trailer. It is insulated with power, AC, windows, and set up to be, again, that multi-use unit for you guys so you can ditch the big RV, get off-road, and really have some fun. So we're gonna start out on this side. This one is in a matte bronze blackout. I love this color. It's a thicker aluminum skin, gives you a really nice exterior skin with the trailer. Does have the all aluminum roof rack with ladder that you guys can see right there for some exterior storage space. It's good for a couple 100 pounds dispersed up there. Two 3,500-pound torsion axles. We run 32-inch Mudterrain tires, black American racing wheels, brakes on all fours, and a nice black diamond plate fender. These units usually come in with about 19 inches worth of ground clearance, so they sit up significantly taller than what your regular trailer does. And with those torsion axles, it gives you an independent suspension underneath the trailer, so it's going to ride better and tow better. Diamond plate rock guard along the bottom, nice big wrapped corners as well for rock protection. And then we do have a generator platform with an enclosed box on the front, so you've got a place for that to ride right there. Extended triple tube tongue, side swivel jack, removable front coupler, which is a great feature as well. Side door has an RV lock and cam bar, so you've got double lock protection on that side door. Exterior GFI outlet is that box right there. And then we do have two LED party lights here off of the side to give you guys some great light to hang out with at night. Drop down stabilizer jacks underneath the back as well for some extra stability. Rear ramp door does have a spring assist close on it. You also have the really cool black diamond plate wrap around that rear door jamb, just ties everything in nice together. Gutters over the side door, over the rear ramp door, two load light spotlights off the back as well, so you guys will have some light at night. And then one of my favorite features about these units is we do run a battery with a battery box and a battery charger. That's sitting right there in that front right corner. That is sweet because that is gonna run for you guys your load lights here at the back, the party lights off the side, and your 6 puck lights. You've got 3 of these guys on each side. And you no longer have to be plugged into a vehicle or generator to have light on the inside and outside of your trailer. So great feature. Now we also have 30 amp service, which is the box to the left there with that cord. You take that cord, run it out to your generator, that'll bring power into the trailer, and that's gonna power up your 4 interior outlets. So you guys can see there's 3 there, another one here at the back. Plus you've got that exterior GFI outlet. That's gonna bring power into your 2 4-foot LEDs across the ceiling. And it's also gonna bring power into your AC unit with a heat strip. So you guys do have the ability to heat and cool these units as well. So different setups there. And then of course you've got light switches for everything so you can control what you have on and what you have off. Overhead Maxx Air roof vent. Up there has that nice bubble cover over it like what you find on campers, so you don't have to worry about having it leak water in. And then we do have 2 of the 18x44 slider windows with screens. These are tinted lockable windows, so some nice versatility there as well. And then insulated walls and ceiling. We finished this one with a vinyl ceiling liner, left the walls plywood. We've gotten a lot of requests for plywood walls. People are painting them, staining them, making them look really cool and kind of doing their own finish there. So here's one of those units for you guys that you can do that. Awesome performance Nudo floor with dry max, and then of course you've got 4 D-rings, 1 in each corner for some tie down points. This floor is amazing. We can't say enough good about it. It is super durable, meant to last you guys a really long time. So 3-year factory warranty with this unit. And if you guys are in the market and looking, like I said, to downsize, get rid of the big RVs, we've got a lot of units in stock. We are the exclusive home of the Colorado off-road trailer, and we ship. So if you don't live in Colorado, you don't want to make a road trip, no worries. We ship out literally every day, and we can get you a shipping quote. So give us a call, 303-688-8485. We're always online at coloradotrailersinc.com, and be sure to like and subscribe.